Many times we think that, why don't government print notes and distribute to people? Let's have a reason for that. Value of total money in the market is related with amount of resources that particular country have, which implies that paper currency does not hold value in practical sense. That's the reason in ancient period we used to have barter system, where exchange of one good for another good used to take place. And then later on, silver, gold, copper and bronze coins used to have value because they were the precious metals. In current scenario, these metals are in safe vault, which means you might have seen your mother or wife keeping their metal ornaments safe. Because if they go in the market, these ornaments have a high redeemable capacity with paper currency. Same goes with government also, as they have stock of these precious metals. So, in short, money becomes medium of exchange for all these resources. Now if government print notes on huge quantity, irrespective of their resources or finished goods or their technological advancement, then inflation will come in the economy. Let's understand this inflation with the help of an example. Government starts distributing money to people and they have given, for example, rupees 10,000 to all people. Now what will happen? Purchasing power of people will increase or boost. Therefore, person who used to buy cheap edible oil might buy branded or costly sunflower oil. But supply of this oil will be constant in comparison with demand, because many people have power to buy that oil. Then due to less supply and to curtail consumers' power to buy that oil, price will increase. This will happen with most of the final goods or finished goods, which generate inflation or महंगाई in the market. In short, value of paper currency degrades because it is easily available. In contrast, resources are scarce. So, it can create chaos in the market and economy can collapse. If proper measures are not taken, it can lead to hyperinflation also, where money will lose its complete value or faith, which also happened in Venezuela. So to control this condition and increase value of paper currency, government starts withdrawing money from the market through various measures such as high interest rate on loan, increased taxes, higher electricity charges, more service tax, etc. and tries to bring supply and demand to its equilibrium. That's the reason why countries or government don't print excess paper currency and distribute it in the market. I hope now it's clear to you that why government don't print excess amount of currencies. If you like this video, please hit like, share and subscribe button. Also, if you feel I have to make video on any other topic, please write in the comment section. After watching this video, still if you have any other query related to economics, paper currency and how money evolved or how economics evolved as a separate subject, we have a separate section of economics in our playlist which is related to UPSC and brief knowledge is given in that part. Thank you very much.